The Government Palace of Lima. The Government Palace was originally built by Francisco Pizarro, governor of New Castile, in 1535. When the Viceroyalty of Peru was established in 1542, it became the Viceroy's residence and seat of government. The most recent alterations to the building were completed in the 1930s. Under the direction of President Oscar R. Benavides during his second term of office. The chief architects were Claude Antoine Sahat-Laurent and Ricardo de Juxa Malachowski. A number of ceremonial guard units of the Peruvian armed forces are stationed at the palace and participate in the daily changing of the guard ceremony and other official duties. The current government palace building dates largely from the 1920s. It is representative of the Neoplateresque style characteristic of Lima from the 1920s to the 1940s. The coat of arms of Pizarro is displayed on the main portico of the building at Palacio Street, which was designed and built by French architect Claude Antoine Sahat-Laurent. Polish architect Ricardo de Juxa Malachowski designed the building's facade in 1938. Inspired by the neo-Baroque style, it looks onto the main square, the Plaza Mayor, or Plaza de Armas, of Lima. The palace has several formal rooms looking out onto a courtyard garden. The palace has several inner courtyards and halls and rooms named for notable figures in Peruvian history. The presidential office is named in honor of Colonel Francisco Bolognesi. The agreements room is named for Admiral Miguel Grau. The Minister's Council room is named after Air Force Captain Jose A. Quinones Gonzalez. The Ambassador's room has recently been renamed in honor of the Inspector of the Guards Mariano Santos Mateo. Among the reception rooms is the Golden Hall, which has a fine collection of paintings. The building also contains elegant living quarters which serve as the official residence of the President of the Republic, previously called the Elishpuru and Choquahuanca Hall. The George Basadra room is in the Spanish Renaissance style and dates from the 1920s. It features marble columns and rounded arches showing Moorish architectural influence. The hall is illuminated by 4 large windows, and the floor is Italian marble mosaic. 2 presidential carriages, used on official occasions until 1974, are displayed in this room. The room may be entered through from a door to the palace on Palacio Street. Its original name paid tribute to the soldiers who died defending the building here during the attack on 29 May 1909 during the first presidency of Augusto B. Leguía, whose bust is displayed beneath a portrait of Pedro Fernández de Castro, Count of Limos, by an unknown 17th-century artist. This internal courtyard, dating from the 1920s, features glazed tiles made in Seville, Spain. Each set displays the coat of arms of Peru, of Lima, and Pizarro. It is accessed through the rooms of the presidential residence. One legend says that Pizarro himself planted and took care of a fig tree here that is supposedly alive today. According to Peruvian historian Raúl Porras Barranecchia, the fig tree was not mentioned by any chronicler of the 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th centuries until it was invented by some valet from the palace, urged by tips dating from the 1920s. The Golden Hall is the largest and grandest of the government palace. It is the main reception hall, and is where ministers take their oath of office and ambassadors present their credentials to the president. Inspired by the Hall of Mirrors at the Palace of Versailles in France, the room is the work of French architect Claude Antoine Sahat-Laurent. The walls feature tall mirrors and relief work in gold leaf. The vaulted ceiling is decorated with gilded relief work featuring both indigenous and European motifs, and the furnishings are in the style of Louis XIV. 4 bronze and crystal chandeliers hang from the ceiling. The room contains 2 matching marble tables, and an old clock topped with a small statue of Emmanuel Philibert, Duke of Savoy, who was victorious at the Battle of Saint Quentin in 1557. In the central part of the hall is a marble dais and balustrade, framed by 2 double columns with gilded bronze capitals, each carved from a single block of pink marble. This room dates from the 1920s. The Tupac Amaru II room, Renamed from the Pizarro Room in the 1970s during the presidency of Juan Velasco Alvarado, is furnished in the neo-colonial style. A central rotunda features a wooden cupola with a stained glass lamp at its highest point. The room features 4 sculptures by Mateu, an artist of French origin, representing the seasons, and plaster reliefs by Daniel Casafranca representing the Incas. The large portrait of Peruvian rebel Tupac Amaru II hanging over the carved wooden fireplace replaced in 1972 the portrait of Pizarro that hung in this room. On display is a throne that was a gift of the Japanese Emperor Akihito to Peru. This was the first official dining hall of the Gove.